Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a client's app that stands out and delivers an awesome user experience involves a combination of good design practices, efficient coding, and the use of modern technologies. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through some key steps involved in enhancing a client's app, along with code examples to illustrate the concepts. Step 1. Define the app's purpose and audience. Before diving into coding, it's crucial to understand the app's purpose and target audience. This will guide decisions on features, design, and technologies. Step 2. Plan the features. List down the core features that will add value to the app. For example, user authentication, data visualization, push notifications, offline capabilities, responsive design. Step 3. Choose the right tech stack. Select a technology stack that best fits the app's needs. Here's a common stack for web applications. Frontend, React.js. Backend, Node.js with Express. Database, MongoDB. Styling, CSS in JS, styled components. State management, Redux. Step 4. Implement user authentication. User authentication is crucial for most applications. Here's how to implement it using JWT, JSON web tokens. Backend, Node.js with Express *. JavaScript. Const express equals require, express. Const JWT equals require, JSON webtoken. Const bcrypt equals require, bcrypt. Const app equals express. App use, express JSON. Const users equals, // this would be a database in a real app. // register. App post, /register, async, req, res, equals. Const hashed password equals await bcrypt.hash, req body.password, 10. Users.push, username, req body.username, password, hashed password. Res.status, 201, .send, user registered. /login. App post, /login, async, req, res, equals. Const user equals users.find, u equals u.username equals req body.username. If, user, await bcrypt.compare, req body.password, user.password. Return res.status, 400, .send, invalid credentials. Const token equals jwt.sign, username, user.username, your _jwt_secret. Res.json, token. App listen, 3000, equals console.log, server running on port 3000. Step 5. Create a responsive UI with React. Using React, you can create a responsive user interface. Here's a simple login form. Frontend, React component *. JavaScript. Import React, uses state from React. Import Axios from Axios. Const login form equals. Const username, set username equals uses state. Const password, set password equals uses state. Const handle login equals async, equals. e.prevent default. Try. Const response equals await axios.post, http://localhost 3000/login. Username. Password. Alert, login successful, plus response.data.token. Catch, error. Alert, login failed. Return. Form on submit equals handle login. Input. Type equals text. Placeholder equals username. Value equals username. On change equals, equals set username, e.target.value. Slash. Input. Type equals password. Placeholder equals password. Value equals password. On change equals, equals set password, e.target.value. Slash. Button type equals submit login slash button. Slash form. Export default login form. Step 6, enhance user experience with notifications. Use a library like React Toastify for notifications. Installation asterisk. Bash. npm install React Toastify. Usage example asterisk. JavaScript. Import toast container, toast from React Toastify. Import React Toastify /dist React Toastify.css. Const notify equals toast, wow so easy. Const app equals div. Button on click equals notify slash button. Toast container slash div. Step 7, data visualization. Integrate a chart library like chart.js to visualize data. Installation asterisk. Bash. npm install chart.js React chart.js 2. Usage example asterisk. JavaScript. Import bar from React chart.js 2. Const data equals. Labels, January, February, March, April. Datasets. Label, sales. Data, 12, 19, 3, 5. Background color, RGBA, 75, 192, 192, 0.4. Const bark heart equals div. h2 sales data slash h2. Bar data equals data slash div. Step 8, optimize for performance. Use lazy loading for images and components. Implement code splitting in React. Use caching strategies for API calls. Step 9, test the app. Ensure thorough testing, including unit tests, integration tests, user acceptance testing. Step 10, deployment. Deploy your app using platforms like Heroku, Vercel, or AWS. Ensure CI/CD practices are in place for a smooth deployment process. Conclusion. By following these steps and implementing the provided code examples, you can create an awesome client app that is user-friendly, responsive, and feature-rich. Focus on continuous improvement based on user feedback, and keep your tech stack updated with the latest trends. Happy coding! Creating an awesome client app involves several key steps: understanding the client's needs, designing a user-friendly interface, implementing robust functionality, and ensuring a smooth user experience. Below is a tutorial outlining these steps, along with code examples to illustrate the concepts. For this tutorial, we'll focus on building a simple task management app using React, a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Step 1, understanding client requirements. Before writing any code, it's essential to understand what the client wants. For our example, let's say the client needs a task management app that allows users to add tasks, mark tasks as completed, delete tasks, filter tasks, example show all, completed, or active tasks. Step 2, designing the user interface. A clean and intuitive UI is crucial for user engagement. Here's a simple wireframe of what our app might look like. Task app. Add task filter. Task 1 complete. Task 2 delete. Task 3 complete. Step 3, setting up the project. To start, we need to set up a React project. You can use Create React App for this. Bash. npx create React App Task Manager. cd Task Manager. npm start. Step 4, implementing the functionality. Here's how to implement the core features of our task management app. 1. Create the task component. Create a new file task.js for individual task components. JavaScript. Import React from React. Const task equals, task, onComplete, onDelete, equals. Return. div. Span style equals text decoration, task.completed. Line through, none. Task.name. /span. Button on click equals onComplete, task.id, complete/button. Button on click equals onDelete, task.id, delete/button. /div. Export default task. To create the main app component. In your app.js, implement the main functionality. JavaScript. Import React, uses state from React. Import task from /task. Const app equals. Const tasks, set asks equals uses state. Const task name, set task name equals uses state. Const filter, set filter equals uses state, all. Const add task equals. If, task name. Set asks, tasks, id, date.now, name, task name, completed, false. Set task name. Const complete task equals, id, equals. Set asks, tasks.map, task equals. Task.id equals id. Task, completed, task.completed, task. Const delete task equals, id, equals. Set asks, tasks.filter, task equals task.id, equals id. Const filtered tasks equals tasks.filter, task equals. If, filter equals completed, return task.completed. If, filter equals active, return, task.completed. Return true. Return. div. h1 task management app /h1. Input. Type equals text. Value equals task name. OnChange equals, equals set task name, e.target.value. Placeholder equals add a new task. / Button on click equals add task / button. Select OnChange equals, equals set filter, e.target.value. Option value equals all / option. Option value equals completed / option. Option value equals active / option. /select. div. Filtered tasks.map, task equals. Task. Key equals task.id. Task equals task. OnComplete equals complete task. OnDelete equals delete task. /div. /div. Export default app. Step 5, enhancing user experience. To make the app even more awesome, consider adding the following features. Local storage, save tasks in the browser's local storage so that they persist between sessions. Styling, use CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or styled components for better styling. Notifications, add notifications to inform users when tasks are added or completed. Testing, implement unit tests to ensure your app works as expected. Step 6, Deployment. Once the app is complete and tested, you can deploy it using services like Vercel, Netlify, or GitHub Pages. For example, to deploy on Vercel. 1. Install the Vercel CLI. Bash. npm install gvercel. 2. Run the command in your project directory. Bash. Vercel. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can create an awesome task management app for your client using React. Always remember to iterate based on client feedback and user testing to keep improving the app. This approach not only meets the client's requirements but also enhances user satisfaction.